Today I'm going to unbox Mossy Oak 9.4 multifunctional detachable fishing shears. Most shears that you purchase for fishing are going to be for single use, as far as like cutting line or cutting bait. But with this particular shears, again, you'll see that it has multiple use for, which is great, especially if you have a small tackle bag or you're just trying to travel light. Having something that is going to be multifunctional will save you a lot of space and time when you can just have one tool that can do a lot of what you need. Right out of the box, I can tell this is a heavy duty pair of shears that I have in my hand. It's stainless steel. It comes with the sheath here for safety protection. Again, I have a tackle bag, so this will be very important to keep on when I'm not using it and storing it. You can tell the blade is heavy duty steel, as well as it has a bottle opener on one end and then a Phillip head tip on the other end. Again, that's that multifunctional use you see here. But again, these are some very solid fishing shears that I'm holding here. And if you can tell by the design, very ergonomic, so that allows you to get the right handle, I guess you would say, to ensure that whatever you might be cutting, again, whether it's bray, mono, bait, you're going to be able to get that proper leverage to ensure whatever you're cutting is going to cut. Again, these are detachable, so as you can see, you can take it apart. And then also, what's cool about these shears here is that it has scaler. So, after you catch your fish, I don't have an actual fish scaler, so I can use this here to handle that job. And then also, it has, I guess, what is that? Again, depending on if you use artificial, there has the ring, the O-ring that typically comes with like a lot of your fishing swim baits that you can crimp to, so it allows you to easily pull it apart if you need to put on a new hook. Again, this is not something I have on me, so I have to improvise. So it's nice that this actual fishing shear has that capability. Again, there are, let's see, I was looking at it earlier, but let's see what it has here. You can remove hooks, open split rings. That's the word I was looking for. You can cut line, mono, nylon, fluorocarbon. You have a bait tuning slot, fish scaler, as I mentioned before, cutting notch. You can crimp leads as well as crimp sleeves. Again, it's stainless steel and it has a gray titanium coating finish. So again, not bad for a pair of fishing shears that can handle a lot of jobs that you may encounter while you're fishing, and you can do it all in the palm of your hand here with these fishing shears. What I'll do is I will make sure to put a link where you can find these out online. And if you have any questions, make sure you drop a comment down below. But I'm excited to get these in my fishing bag so I can start using them. And again, this is by Mossy Oak, and this is the 9.4 multifunctional detachable fishing shears. Again, I'll put a link in the description. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Please like and share, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.